Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we will see how you can duplicate tabs in Google Chrome. Duplicating your tabs give you an advantage that if you want to create an instance of your particular website or a web page, then you don't have to copy paste the URL again and again. And with just 2 clicks, you can simply duplicate your website. So this saves a lot of work and time. Now let's see how you can duplicate tabs in Google Chrome. First, let's open our Google Chrome. Now, let's open any website. For example, say Chrome Web Store. Now, consider the situation where you are casually browsing your Chrome Web Store and you want to duplicate this particular tab or want to create another instance of it. So, if you don't know how to duplicate it, then what you will do is that you will click on the URL, copy it, and hit a new tab button and then paste it. Then hit enter. And you have created a duplicate tab, but this is done manually and it took a little time. Now, the most easiest way to perform this operation is that you simply right click on this tab here. Now, after you right click, you can see a number of operations for this particular tab. What you need to do is simply click on this duplicate button. Once you click on it, you can see that it automatically duplicates the particular tab and you don't have to copy paste the URL again and again. Hence, this saved your time and you don't have to copy paste the URL again and again. So, if you find this trick helpful, make sure that you like this video, comment on it, share it, and subscribe our channel as well. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.